Let's talk about autism. What is meant by neurodevelopmental disorder? Here, neurodevelopmental disorders are a group of conditions characterized by impairments in intelligence, social skills, and communication skills with the onset in the developmental period. Most common neurodevelopmental disorders are autism spectrum disorder (ASD), attention deficit hyperactive disorder (ADHD), intellectual disability, specific learning disability. What is ASD? Autism spectrum disorders is the most common developmental disorder having problem with social communication and repetitive behavior.
Let's start.
Are autism spectrum disorder and autism the same?
Yes, autism is now called autism spectrum disorder. According to American Psychiatric Association, 2013, autism spectrum disorder is the umbrella term for different levels of autism.
What is Asperger's syndrome?
It is also known as high-functioning autism, characterized by poor social interaction, restricted interest, and repetitive patterns of behavior with relatively normal language and intelligence.
What is meant by Rett syndrome?
It is a rare genetic neurological disorder, primarily affects females than males with progressive loss of motor and language skills with repetitive movements.
What is meant by pervasive developmental disorder, PDD?
PDD is a group of disorders characterized by delays in the development of multiple basic functions, including socialization and communication.
What is meant by childhood disintegrative disorder, CDD?
Childhood disintegrative disorder, CDD, is a rare condition characterized by onset of developmental delays, severe or sudden reversal in language, social engagement, poor bladder and bowel control, play and motor skills.
What is meant by repetitive behavior, stimming?
It is self-stimulating with unusual body movements or noises, for example, hand flapping, rocking, moving body forward and backward, flapping hands, flicking fingers, bouncing, jumping, twirling, walking on tiptoes, pulling hair, repetitive blinking, staring at lights, rotating objects, licking or stroking specific types of objects, making inappropriate sounds.
Why do children with ASD have repetitive behaviors?
Children with ASD do repetitive behaviors because to reduce anxiety and calm themselves, to decrease sensory overload, to deal with overwhelming sensations and emotions, adapt to an unfamiliar environment.
What are the most common features of ASD?
Poor eye contact, not responding to name call, lack of social skills, not smiling at others, greeting, lack of verbal and communication skills, abnormal repetitive behaviors, sensory issues, staring at lights, spinning, crashing.
What are the early signs of ASD?
Prefers to be alone. Minimal or no eye contact. No social smiling by 6 months. Abnormal body movements. No one-word communication by 16 months. Not responding or over-responding to specific body senses, e.g. light, sound, touch, taste, and smell. Loss of skills at any age. Repeating words or phrases continuously. Sensitivity to light, touch, sound, smell, tastes, etc. No babbling, pointing, or meaningful gestures by 12 months. No two-word phrases by 24 months. Not sharing items or showing interests. Unusual attachment to one toy or object.
Now, I hope it was informative for you.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. It was so helpful for us.